A lot of communication materials I've seen that climate change is often linked with women empowerment. इसके पीछे क्या reason है?
In case of natural disaster, in case of floods, women and children are the most vulnerable population that's been impacted. And even in case of livelihood loss, which you already mentioned, and you make that connect. If there's a livelihood shortage, economic shortage, women are more prone to domestic violence and all those sort of things. And then we have agriculture farmers who are women. They are cotton pickers, they are working in the fields, so they are directly impacted by that. And considering this in studies as well, there's a lot of gender-based violence when there's a loss of livelihood and all those sort of things. Women are also decision maker at home, like sometimes, like energy efficiency. There's a positive impact that if you include women in decision making on maybe a renewable energy project or all, that will also make that project successful. So gender lens is really important to have. And then if you go for like a social project or adaptation project, so and social changes you need to bring in, behavioral changes you need to bring in. So mothers are the first education platform for children. And if you go for waste collection, the woman is the one who are handling with waste in house. So that's why it's really important to make them part of the decision making, also the awareness protocol as well. So you cannot do anything without factoring them in.